We're beginning to see the signs of spring everywhere, and one of the first indicators is those Japanese magnolias. They're beginning to bloom right now. You may notice red buds are beginning to bloom. Soon fringe trees will be blooming. We'll see those Taiwan cherries blooming that are signaling that spring is almost here. And one of the things that you can assess this time of year as we're going into the spring and thinking about replanting things, especially after that long drought that we had last summer, that intense heat really did a number on many of our trees and shrubs. So for those, we want to assess them. For those hardwood trees or deciduous trees, those that drop their leaves, we're gonna wait on those and check them to see if they push out new leaves in the springtime. Now, if it gets well into spring, we don't see any movement on the leaves, you can bend those stems. If they just break, we know that it's done and we're gonna need to remove them. With our evergreens, however, if those are brown, they're probably dead. So we're talking about things like southern magnolia, any hollies or pine trees. Live oaks, if you notice that they are brown, they are likely dead because they are evergreen. But this is a great time of year to consider planting new trees and shrubs, and check the LSU AgCenter's website for all those spring garden shows that are going on throughout the state this spring. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.